So hello sir, hello everyone, welcome to my video, and for today's topic or discussion, I will be showing to you my output in software design, which is the SQL manipulation. And I hope guys you will bear with me because this will be a long discussion. So without further ado, let's go. So let me just open my uh, visual code. So as you can see in my screen right now is the code. So I've already inputted my code here so that we can just run this following data. And before that, before we run this code, let me just show you the task. So as you can see, we are to create a database using a structure query language, or in short, SQL. So in the first problem is we are tasked to create a database. So the name for the database will be our last name. So my last name is Almine DB. So as you can see, this is my database name. So Almine DB. The next one is create two tables, student details and class schedule. So this is the student details and this is the second one, the class schedule. So this is my first table, which is the student details, the data. So this is the data and the code to display my table with, of course, the data. And this is the second table, which is the class schedule, the data. And of course, this is my code to display my table. So to show you the output, so here is my table. So this is the first table. So let me just run this one and this one also, and voila. Let me just click it again. So boom. So as you can see, this is my student number 231050-1, name Shadrach Belmine, Com-E, special non 3A section, status continuing, sex male, birthday is August 3, 2002, birthplace is Hinunangan, Filipino nationality, civil status is single, academic year 2023-2024, and semester is second. And this is the other one. This is the other table that I created. So let me just run the second one, the second table. So as you can see, let me just run it again. Boom. So this is the schedule. So this is related to here. By the way, I'm an irregular student. So my uh, my COR, or anong tawag ito? TOR or ORF rather. So my ORF is different from the second year student. So basically what I did was just to use the second table, the same table, because in the following questions, muigo siya, and then the student details will be different because this is my personal info. So, yun. And without further ado, let's go to the next question. So, update your birthplace by adding the name of your barangay. So, oh no, that is that one. This is my code. So, adding. So, let me just, I already code here. So, update no, barangay. So, my barangay is Barangay Bangkasbi. So, here in Hinunangan. So, let me just update it and run this student details since I am going to update my personal info. So as you can see, ang birthplace is already changed. So Bangkas B. Then the next question is create a query that will view all the records where teacher is buhayang. So here I already create a code already. So select. So I will just run this one and click it. So the subjects that is under to Sir Jameson is software design lec and software design lab. The next one is create a query that will view the records where course number is EE212 and teacher is Ancheta A. So that is number 5. So I will just run this one. Number 5. Boom. So CPA EE212 rather EE212 and Ancheta A. So the subject is fundamental of electronic circuits. Next one is, the next is create a query that will view the records where course number is CPE 222 or teacher is Kasili. So I already have the code, so I will just run this and boom. So why is it nasa Sir Jimson dire? So, it's because of this one, CPE222 or the or command. So that's why here. So this is 222, CPE222, CPE222. So Sir Jimson Buhayang. Next one is, oh no, video, sorry. Next one is Kasili. Next one is number 7. So select all the records where the value of the column course title starts with an A. So that will be this one. So number 7. So if I will run this one, so the subjects are, or the course titles are art appreciation, assembly language, like so the lecture and the laboratory. Next one is select all the records with a course title starting with any characters followed by appreciation. So that would be, I guess, art appreciation. So boom, art appreciation. Tama nga. Next, number 9 is we have selects all the records with a course number starting with C, followed by any character, followed by E, followed by any special character and number, followed by 2L. So I already have this, so let me just run this, and boom, we have software design laboratory. So why? It's because of this 2L here, 2L. So the only subjects that has L is the laboratory. The next one is number 10. Number 10, write a SQL statement that selects all records that has course number of CPE. Display only the course number and course title. So only the course number and course title. So I already have the code and I will run this. So course number and course title. Boom. Next one, number 11. Create a query that will view the first two or the top two records. So I will just run this. I will just run this, and if I will click this, so top two. So art appreciation and foreign language. That's the top two. The next one is delete the column name schedule. So I will just delete. So I already have the code. Delete. So I will just run this again. This one, schedule, since I'm going to delete the schedule. So the schedule is now deleted. Next one, add two columns, room and day and time, and supply the columns with the data from the deleted column, schedule respectively. So it's very understandable naman. So since I already have deleted it, and then I will just going to add another column. So I will use the alter table for room, alter table for day and time. And of course, we're going to update it. And this one, I'm using this if else statement. So if I will run this and I will run this again. So this will be uh, boom. So as you can see, uh, the deleted column is displayed here on the table. So the room and for the date and time. Next one, we have add again another two columns, date time encoded and grade respectively, and supply the columns as follows. So for the grade, we are going to input this one. So I already have this, so I think I will just going to show you how did I come up with that. So I will add again. I will use alter table again for grade alter table, then update of course because we are going to input the grade. So I will just update it and run this again. So this is kind of complicated, but if you understand SQL, you'll just get your point. So here, so date time encoded, we have this one. Okay, and then we have also the grade. Let me just see it. Uh, Current date time of PC applied to all records. So our date time is 10/04/2024. So I guess it is accurate naman. in our time. So yeah, we can see it here. Next one is we have write SQL statement to find and display the average grade having a column name as average grade. So I already have this one also. So number 15. So let me just see. Okay, this one. And I will click this. So here. So the average is 90.346818. So that's it. Next one is write the SQL statement to find and display the total units having a column name as total units. So display the total units of our subjects. I guess that is 26. Okay, 26. Next one is view. View all the records under the teacher column into uppercase, having a column name as teacher name in uppercase. So that is this one. So I will just run it. So uppercase. So the letters are already uppercase. Next one is the opposite. So in lowercase. So let me just run this lowercase. So yun, nag-lowercase siya. The next is write a SQL function to view the length of the course number text field having a column name as number of characters. So number 19. So let me just run this one and select, of course. So we are going to view it. So number of characters is 9. The last is round off all the grades into the nearest hundreds. So here, this is take a number hundreds, diba? So hundreds. So ma-change. So it will be automatically change. So let's go. I will run this. Uh, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. So let's see. So nag-change siya. Naging 98 from 87 to 98. Ones, tens. That's it. So I hope I met the required task and hope you bear with my output. So that will be all, and thanks for watching.